Hi, I'm Pauline from Michael Wan's Mandarin. Today I'm going to show you how to make a roast chicken yaki udon using a cinder street wok. Fantastic little piece of kit, perfect for outside catering. We've been looking for a kit like this for ages and it's so powerful and you can control the heat, brilliant. Right, straight in there. Right, for this dish you will need a 14-inch London rimmed wok and Chinese ladle as usual, but on this particular dish you will need a spatula as well. Right, straight in. So, whack it to the top, heat, 1 tablespoon of oil straight in and make sure you coat all your wok evenly. Wait for the smoke, which happens straight away on this range, fantastic. Okay, turn it down, wait for all the vegetable go in. Keep stirring and mixing them. Okay, this is literally after 2 minutes. Yaki udon goes straight in. This is when this wok range is coming very useful. It's that it's got the rim here. You can use it for tossing. Right, turning the heat back on low. Right, this is when the spatula come in. What you want to do is actually burn the noodle, so to speak, and keep tossing and turning. This is just after a minute. Chicken can go in now. Again, you're just lifting and let it drop. Okay, quick stir. Right, sesame oil, 2 squirt. Make sure you squirt from the rim of the wok. Right, so a minute after the sesame oil, this is coming to the end now. Right, next thing. Make sure I get the right one. This is Shaoxing wine, it's like a dry sherry. And again, splash it on the rim of the wok. Look at that. That's nearly done. Check out the tray. Add a bit of oil right at the very end, just a little drizzle. Look at that. And it just pops the dish. Brilliant. Next, yaki udon sauce. Right, come off the heat. You need about 50 grams there. Right. Okay, so mix it all in and then heat back up. Just medium heat. Right, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a good mix. Okay, trick of the tray. Heat straight back up very high. Tiny bit of oil, just to drizzle it round, and it makes the dish pop. Bit of oil. Heat can come straight back off now. And that's it. You're done. Look at that. Look at that. chicken yaki udon. Brilliant.